opened up my emotions. Guess to make me a pussy. Tell the trolls keep trolling. Bet your ass won't push me. All your ass do is push keys. You exciting my demons. Even demons scared of me. Only fight when I'm sleeping. God, why am I breathing? Got no rhyme and no reason. That's the reason I rhyme. Think it's finally my season. I ain't tired of y'all eating. I'm just tired of me starving. Actually, I'm being honest. I'm just tired of being calm. Bitch, I'm gonna rip a new hole in your whole operation. I run out of patience and run out of pages to write that I run out of pages. I jump on the mic and go nuts on the stages. So fucking amazing that nothing amazes you motherfuckers anymore. Cause my cadence is never stay the same. Don't ever say my name. The hell on my way. Got the devil in my aim. The devil's in my brain like whoa, 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 whoa. No, 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 no. Not gonna slow the flow down so you slow folks won't know what I'm saying until you replay the shit over and over. I'm only a minute in, already said more than you say in one of your albums. Wow, I'm standing in the ring and ready to get it in. Let me know who want a problem. Holla, I ain't never rather fuck what you thought. Won more battles than you ever fought. Nowadays, do 6ix9ine and then tattletailing when they get caught. I'm sticking to the code, step before the sun, sickening with the flow. Only getting hotter, about to hit the road. Time to make these dollars, getting booked more than fucking everybody. Hey, it's mic on, oh my gosh, to see me with the lights off. Cause I'm a fucking star, I said that on the first call. That was my first step home, I bet you didn't know it. But now you fucking do, cause you're all up so on here we go, from the go. I'ma put their ass on notice, on the low, about to blow. Time to put their ass on notice. Oh, they ain't know, let them know. Go ahead, put their ass on notice. About to take over the globe, baby, no way they ain't gon' notice. Here we go, from the go. I'ma put their ass on notice, on the low, about to blow. Time to put their ass on notice. Oh, they ain't know, let them know. Go ahead, put their ass on notice. About to take over the globe, baby, no way they ain't gon' notice, huh? Fuck, now I gotta do another verse. Lucky for me, you'll never see me run out of words. Fucking with me, should let it be. Now everybody's under the curse, like everybody's all in my business, but I don't think that ain't none of yours. World full of amcombies, internet full of zombies. Who don't know shit, that bro that's lit and then tweeting thinking they got it. All I need is one time piece. Who I know's not gonna change, whether we at the Grammys or I got pockets of change. Times change, but I'm timeless. Swiped out like Thomas. Cause I don't follow them trends, boy. I just follow who got it. Why you think my name means? Why you think I'm so blessed? Hip-hop done lost its soul. Why you think I'm up next? Cause I've been on the ground and I don't have no time for games. We are in 11th hour, yup, it's getting late. You can catch me in the kitchen cooking up a plate. Jesus on the way, I can't delay, too much to say. Vamonos, knocking out shows like you knocking out dominoes. Wanna know how I know that I'm about to blow? I wanna know how the fuck you do not know the way that I'm dropping shit, man, it's so obvious. This is the opposite of what a hobby is. If you reacted to saying I'm whack, then the fact is you whack, cause you know that I bodied this. Know that I bodied this. Here we go, from the go. I'ma put their ass on notice, on the low, about to blow. Time to put their ass on notice. They ain't know, let them know. I'ma put their ass on notice, about to take over the globe, baby. No way they ain't gon' know. So here we go, from the go. I'ma put their ass on notice, on the low, about to blow. Time to put their ass on notice. Oh, they ain't know, let them know. Go ahead, put their ass on notice. About to take over the globe, baby. No way they ain't gon' notice, huh? They separate us from our neighbors and they call it social distancing. It's actually a bigger plan, it's called social conditioning. They took away our privacy, there's always someone listening. The elections planning riots for the citizens. The government has always lied, it's history repeating. But the problem is the schools dumb you down so you believe them. If you try to speak the truth inside a tweet, then they delete it. Whole administration Satanists who claim they praise in Jesus. Every year there's a new name for enemies that we're facing. It's Al-Qaeda, then ISIS, and now American patriots. Who would have thought those who love the country the most would be hated on by folks who call America home? Both political parties are equally just as evil. They've been working for themselves, don't give a damn about the people. Black, white, yellow, brown, humanity needs you. Cause united we stand, divided they will defeat you. The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so in God we trust.
Y'all missing what was written in them pages. That was history they wrote, now you wanna change it. You racist, you hate this. Why you want us all to be locked up in cages? I can't stand the left, everything they say's depressing. Ship them to the Middle East, they can learn oppression. Believe me, I mean this quite literal. I love liberty, but I liberals. Wear a mask, stay home, complain and moan. Talk about privilege on your phone in your Range Rover, Starbucks, mango, foo-foo, whatever. The cloth I'm cut from can handle any weather. You just paper in the rain, we ain't the same. Stand for the flag, only kneel when I pray. I just pray we go back to the old days, land of the free, home of the brave.
The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so in God we trust.
I see through all the illusions, refuse to humor rumors or accept that we're losing. Easy to get caught up, consumed by the consumer. Truth is so diluted, people starve off the confusion. Comfort is the killer, your dreams execution. Cool with persecution if I make a contribution. Home of the brave look like a mental institution, and there will be revolution if we can't find resolution. And a threat is a promise, stand up, pay homage. They tell lies, I'm being honest, test of time is upon us. I know that God got us, so I'm fighting in his honor. Hear the cries of the crusaders as we're strapping up our armor. Either set sail to higher ground or drown in they drama. If I die for what I love, then my death will be nirvana. We fighting for our freedom, don't believe what they've been feeding. Be the change you wanna see, the warrior that we're needing.
The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams. The world's going crazy and they lying to us. Don't know who to believe, so in God we trust.
We don't trust the news, the government, or pharma. We just want freedom, that you have that to offer. We don't want the lies, the politics, or the drama. We just want the life that was promised by our fathers. We don't trust the news, the government, or pharma. We just want freedom, that you have that to offer. We don't want the lies, the politics, or the drama. We just want the life that was promised by our fathers.
The man on the news says the problem is me. I'm just a small town boy with big American dreams.